First, scroll down your recipe list until you see Add Recipe and click the button. And the first step here is going to be to name your recipe. Once you've done that, you can add the temperature you'd like to brew the recipe at. And then scroll down to Details, and then under Details, you can add notes about recipe dose and grind size. By adding a dose, you'll allow Poursteady to automatically calculate the ratio of water to coffee once you've built your recipe, which we will show you at the end here. Next, you'll be adding your filter rinse, first by turning it on, setting the water volume, and the pour pattern. Then you'll move on to your first pour, again setting the volume, and then the pour pattern, and then the size of the pattern you've selected. You'll then be adding the pause time. This is the time that the machine will take between pours, and follow these same steps until you've added all of the desired pours. Once you've done that, go ahead and save your recipe. You'll be prompted on the machine to hit OK. You can then select the recipe by scrolling back up to it. If you click and hold the button on the selected recipe, you'll see a recipe preview. This is why adding that dose information is helpful, as it will show in your notes here, and the machine will be able to automatically calculate the brewing ratio. That's it. Once you create this recipe, it will be saved to your machine until you delete it. You can also go back in and edit and adjust as needed. So that's how you make a recipe. Enjoy and happy brewing.